getting on with it now. We've welded all down here now, all along here. All along the lead, all along, yeah. We've got to cut that 10mm off there, off this side here. Lad, this is our crate. Working well, he is. Yeah, working well. One thing with Craig welding is that they're waterproof. Taking the step at the moment. Taking the step. Goes down into the boat, into the barge from the welding. Yes, I've got lift up lids on it so that we can put things in it. Yeah, it wants firstly. Once that bit there straightened up, looks a bit wonky, but it'll be alright when we get the door on, when we get the lid on it, you won't see it. Yes. It soon will look like a barge. These little beauties, I can really recommend them. They're from B&Q and they're reasonable, and the battery fits everything. I've got one or two. I've got the saw, I've got the multi-tool, I've got a sander. And of course I've got the charger. Yeah. So I mean, okay, I've got a Makita, but they're so expensive. I mean, these things are so reasonable, but and they work just as well. So there you go. That's B&Q for you. I'm not getting paid for it. It's nice to recommend something that you've tried. As long as they keep going out, I can keep spending the money. Yeah, so that'll do for me now for a minute, but see you in a bit. Bye.